Hello student, our today's topic is Varley painting. We are using here only sketch pen and scale. Okay, first make a border to your page first and then write down the topic name. Okay, listen student, we are using here only triangles, circles, lines. Okay, it's very easy to draw. First draw the triangle and for his body, and then draw the circle for his head. Okay, again draw the hands like this and then draw the legs. See student, it's very easy. We are using here only triangle, line, circle. Okay, and then fill this part properly. Yes. Okay, listen first, observe the drawing clearly. Draw the details and then draw here again two triangles. Draw the legs, head and hands. Okay, see the both figure is same. After that we are showing here hair bun. It's look like a lady figure. So one is gents figure and one is lady figure. After that we will draw here a small girl figure. Okay, draw the same process. Draw triangle, circle and lines. Okay, we are showing here a small girl, showing her pony also. Okay, see like this. Okay, after that we have to draw here a small boy figure. Okay, see it's the same process. It's very easy. Every student draw this painting easily. Okay, it is boy figure. Okay, so the family is ready. After that we are showing here granny and grandpa. Okay, grandfather and grandmother. Okay, they are senior citizen, so the figure look like this. Okay, this is the grandpa's figure. Okay, see it is very easy. Yeah, and then after we have to draw here granny's figure. Okay, it is same process. It is using same technique, just triangles, lines. Okay, and fill his upper and lower body. Okay, we are showing here hair bun also, so it's look like a granny. Okay, our family is complete here. Yeah. Okay, see student, it is very easy and looking very beautiful. Okay, after that we have to draw here bird. Okay, just petal, draw the petal shape and then draw the tail and her wings. Okay, and then draw beak. Okay, see, and then draw here sun. Okay, using only zigzag line, curve line, circles. Yeah, and then after that we have to draw here hut. Okay, using curve line, standing line, sleeping line. Okay, it is very easy to draw, and then draw the ground line also. Okay, use only lines. Okay, see like this. See, our heart is ready here. Okay, we are use here only lines. After that, we have to draw here some figures with musical instrument. Okay, draw the figure like this. We are showing here two boys bending a drum. Yes. Okay, after that we have to draw here more details on the drum, and then draw here one more figure with musical instrument, just like a mouth organ. It's a tribal musical instrument. Okay, see student, observe the drawing properly and then draw. Again draw here one more figure with dholki. Okay, draw the dholki like this. Then draw his whole body. Draw hands, head, feel the upper and lower body. Okay, draw the figure properly, and then draw here one more figure with musical instrument like this. Okay, after that we are showing here tree trunk. Okay, like this. Show the strokes properly. Show small leaves. Draw some small leaves on the tree trunk. Okay, see student, our Varley painting is ready. So everyone try this drawing using your creativity and idea. Okay, thank you.